Hey YouTubers, had an idea. I was taking these old shutters off the house. They kind of dated the house, built in 1969. So got them off and actually used some 1x2 material. I didn't have put nothing into this other than the screws and the time and sweat, but took some 1x2s just like that. I'll show you some more of those cut over here. These, for these shutters, needed to be 13.5 inches to fit right down in this area, and it basically just gave us some meat on each side to fasten to. You see what all I had behind my shutters. So that fastens in there, and then these two corners can mate up. I used just an exterior screw, like a deck screw. I already had these, so they worked out great. This is the finished product. You can paint those. You can leave them however they are. These are vinyl shutters. You know, and I hear people say, oh, watch out for chemicals leaching into the dirt. Well, around here, there's probably been worse things leaking into the dirt at some point over the last 100 years, but everybody seems to be doing good. It's all doing good, and I'm going to use these for vegetables for sure. Hope that's a good idea for you guys. Please watch our other content. And let us know if you have any questions or comments. We appreciate you watching. Tennessee Farm out.